Hello guys, you tablet Huawei MatePad T10. Open box, look completion. In completion we have only charging adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. On this we have, and that's all. Standard completion for tablets. Okay. We have metal body, main camera, front camera and display 9.5 inch. On this side we have speaker, second speaker, USB Type-C port, jack for headphones, slot for micro SD card. This Wi-Fi version. Upside we have power key and LOM keys. Open settings, look Android version 10, UMI 10.1.0, resolution HD+, 32GB Intel memory, 2GB RAM memory, and CPU high silicon Kirin 710A. Okay. Antutu benchmark doesn't work. We have a device without Google services, only app gallery we have. It's marketed by Huawei. Okay. And open the money game Asphalt 8. Look how this game works on the device. Let's see gameplay. Okay, game load. Waiting. Game works on the medium graphic level. Works good. Okay, not bad gameplay on the medium graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see these photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.